speaks for itself. This is the path I cut so the dogs could go to the bathroom. It's about, well, it's pretty deep. So it goes around the corner. Let's go over here. Chimney's free. I haven't figured out if the wood stove chimney is free yet. You can see what's going on up here. That's snow that's all sitting on the deck. I had to carve a path to the back door. Got the stairs free. Carved a path to the garage. I'm not too thrilled about the idea of opening the garage door. That could be interesting. Let's see what happens. Well, looks like I have some work ahead of me. Now, let's see what else we can see. I don't know if I can even find the wood stove chimney up there. The oil guy, he's gonna have a heck of a time. The trash, driveway. This could be interesting. This reminds me a lot of '78. Nothing's moving.